Dessert is a sweet course we take at the end of our meal. It can be chocolate, it can be pudding, it can be a cake. It depends on the one you would like to take at that particular moment. It depends on the one you want. It could be also fruits dessert, so I have a lot of them here. It depends on the type you like to do. Fruits, you can do also the one with chia seed, a lot of them, you will see it here. Let me just leave you to make your better choice from Mirian Dike channel. I welcome you. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's watch together. So attractive, guys. What do you think? Sweethearts, so far so good. You'll see that I add also cake for you to know that you can also do dessert cake. It depends on how you want it to be. You can see the fruit one, the chocolate one, and the one you can also do with gelatin. Yeah, you can also add color when doing it to make it look more attractive and tasteful. Keep watching. So good. Wow, I've tried this one, guys. It tastes so good. You need to do it. Keep watching. So, if you're the type that likes to do chocolate desserts, I believe you'll find one here or two that you like to do. If you're the type that like to do the Vanguard one, you'll see it here. Or the type that likes to go with whipped cream, it is also here. You can also use condensed milk when you want to do your dessert. Like I said, it depends on the one or the type or how you desire to make yours. And for me, I also prefer my desserts to have some lemon. Lemon taste, a kind of being sour, sweet. Yeah, I like mine also to be like that. So tell me in the comment section which one you really like to do, your favorite dessert you find here, or the one that you pick interest to do. I'd like to hear from you. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on Mirian Dike channel. What else will I tell you? You can go ahead and check out of my videos, and then you will know what this channel is all about. I appreciate you for watching, but don't forget that in this channel, subscription is free. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. I'm signing out to sign in again, and I hope to see you. Bye, sweetie. Stay blessed.